In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail Udemy. If you've ever found yourself needing to reach out to Udemy, whether it's for support, inquiries, or feedback, you're in the right place. Sometimes navigating through a website to find the right contact method can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through the process of contacting Udemy step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward and simple as possible. Let's start by accessing your Udemy dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a good look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. It's important to feel comfortable navigating these menus as it'll make things easier in the long run. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard page. You'll want to look for a link labeled Contact Us. This is your gateway to getting the help or answers you might need. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked Contact Us, the next step is to scroll up slightly on the page you're taken to. Here, under the section labeled Learners, you'll find a crucial link that says How to Reach Our Support Team. Make sure this link is highlighted. Clicking on this link will guide you to the next phase of contacting Udemy. Upon clicking the link, you'll need to locate a hyperlink, specifically named Form. It might take a little looking around to find this, but don't worry, take your time and ensure you spot it. Clicking on this hyperlink will open a new form for you. This form is where you'll need to provide some personal and course-related information. Don't rush here. Take your time to fill everything out accurately and thoroughly. The more precise and detailed the information you provide, the better positioned the Udemy support team will be to assist you effectively. Whether you're describing a technical issue, asking a question, or providing feedback, clarity is key. Once you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, it's time to submit the form. Double-check to ensure everything is correct and then locate the Submit button. Clicking this button will send your form off to the Udemy support team. And there you have it. You've successfully reached out to Udemy. All that's left now is to wait for a response from their team, who should reach out to you as soon as possible. Remember, patience is essential, as these processes sometimes take a bit of time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below if you need further clarification. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.